Today I will share with you how to convert the room database to use the live data, and after that I will use the data inspectors that will help us to update some data I will change in the data inspector, and you see on the screen. Here is the expected result. I go to the login app. That's app from the hilt application that use drive the hilt framework from Android. You will see that app. Original, it doesn't support the live data with room, so that is the target of this tutorials. So if you open the log and we expect it, we change something here, and we see on the screen if you change to the button files, that's the target for this video. So let's open the ASIS project that I will share with you in my blog or in the description of this video. Basically, this project will have the main activities with two fragments. The first fragment that the button fragment, the second fragment that the logs fragment. And every time you click on each button, it will log the time and which button were clicked. In each fragment, it has some navigator that we don't care about in this video, and then it uses the database with room. But right now, in the lockdown, it doesn't use the live data anymore. So when you should change something in data inspector, it doesn't change the UI. You need to exit the logs fragment and then come back logs fragment. It just as the update the new change. So that reason I need to convert to the live data. Here, the step-by-step to help you convert to using the live data in this project. First of all, you need to open the build radar. That's the build radar from here, and then you need to insert the live data dependency. I already had that, so I just pass here. You can click here to sync now, or you can click here to sync with the new dependencies. Okay, I click here, it will sync. And the next step, that's called step 2. You need to update the response of get on. Original, it should respond the list of log. Now it will respond the live data with the list of log. Room data already support the live data, so we don't need to handle here anymore. Now we are going to update for the data source, the local data source. Here, it will respond the log on the live data with the logs. So basically, we don't need to use this one anymore, and I need to update to use the live data. Okay, with the live data, if you don't understand the live data, you need to check the document from the Android developer to understand a little bit about that. Here, the data source interface already changed, and then we need to have some modification in the implementation of the log data source. Example here, I need to get rid of this one, and then I need to import implement for the live data. On Android Studio, I need to Control I, it will auto import. So here, and we just from log data we just get on, it will respond properly. Here we don't need to use this one anymore, so we can remove this. The same with this one, we can update this one too. Need to implement the live data here. So here we need to have some example. We need to have something here. had the local data, we can import here, or maybe we just do import later, because right now we don't use that, so we can skip that. Here I just skip and just push here with the empty lock, because we don't use this element right now, so just skip it. We already changed the lock, and then the next step, we need to have some place to observe the change. And the place to update the list of log, we need to go to the logs fragment that will observe any change. Here we don't have the loggers to get all logs anymore, so I just remove this one. So how do it know the change? Yeah, actually the live data need to observe here. We have the logger live data observe, and we need to get the view life cycle owner, and then we need to have the observer. And now if we respond to log, the list of log, and we need to update with the change. In case the data had no items, it will respond with the empty of the logs. That means the empty list of log. So here we already update. So thus we are finishing to update to use the live data. Now I can build project. This is the one we don't use to remove too. Wow, it look work. We can see in the emulator. Yeah, still work without problem. And then the next step, we need to inspect the live data change here. So let's open the data inspector. We have two ways to open data inspector. We can go to the view, tool window and data inspectors, or we can choose data inspector from here. I choose from here. And the second one, I need to delete the old one to see the new one. Okay, now it's empty. So I need to have some log. I need to click some button here. Okay, you can see the change here. Yeah, let's go to the log screen. Now you try to edit something here. Hey, hello. Yeah, we can see the change immediately. We don't need to restart or go back the button anymore, buttons fragment anymore. Here we just see the change. It is affected immediately. That's so amazing tool. That help you a lot in case you want to change something in the data and debug the UI when you develop the application. That's so amazing from data inspectors. I hope it will help you a lot to save time to convert to use the live data with my video. Hope you enjoy and like my video. Thank you.